Okay, number 20. Number 20 has a couple different parts as well. Okay, we're going to cut out that big platform first, and then we'll finish with cutting out that little ramp. So first, start 2D sketch. Okay, we're going to sketch on the top. For this, we need a rectangle, and from that corner. Okay, so we are going to cut out, looks like a 3 by 3 inch square. Okay, so we know it's 3 this way because the ramp part is 2 inches wide. Okay, so and then we know it's 3 this way because that's the entire width of the object. So go finish sketch, extrude, and we only go down 1 inch. Click OK. Next, we're going to draw the triangle or ramp shape on this face. So start 2D sketch on that. Okay, and again, I want to see a little bit of everything. So we can go with our point tool on the top line. So we need to go over 2 inches. Okay, so let's just place a point there. We can dimension, click that point to that line, bring it over and click. We know this needs to go over 2 inches. Well, we need to get our line tool, and we're just going to draw a triangle from there up and then connect. Finish, extrude, and this goes in 1 inch. Click OK, and that is number 20.